Hey guys, Brian and Hazel here. I'm gonna have to take better notes because I thought that I went over what you could use these funds for. And I guess let me just go over that again. Back taxes, absolutely. Back taxes. Insurance payments, absolutely. I mean, in other words, I've got specific inquiries about these line items and can they be used for that. Truck payments, absolutely. Diesel fuel, absolutely. It wasn't that I felt that you shouldn't use the funds for those. What I think I was trying to express and hope that you understood is that I personally would use them for creating additional income, something that would create additional income, such as a training course to teach you to haul cars, a training course to teach you to haul heavy equipment or wide loads, and I would use them for down payments on the equipment to shift over into one. Just personal opinions, but that's what I would use them for. You can absolutely use them to keep your business going. You have to really make that decision though, in terms of, are you just piling on more debt? Okay. Or, I just don't see where that ends in a way that you can predict. So if you create something that makes more, then I think your projection for payback you should have more confidence in your projection for payback.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.